Complexity, it drives change. You can see it across the world. Throughout every industry, more and more companies are asking themselves, how do we preserve what we have? The real question is, what will we become? Today, new technologies bring light to this answer. They provide the ability to thrive and see new changes, new opportunities like never before. Across the industrial economy, long-standing barriers are being shattered, creating a shift to digitalization. This digitalization economy will require the Internet of Things, so product performance can be fed back into design. A comprehensive digital twin that enables levels of simulation never seen before. New processes such as model-based systems engineering that turn complexity into a competitive advantage. New technologies such as additive manufacturing that free companies from traditional production constraints to develop products that were once thought impossible. It calls for maximum flexibility, leveraging an open, broad ecosystem. The solution is an integrated portfolio of software, services, and an application development platform we call Xcelerator. A catalyst for the digital enterprise, Xcelerator can be personalized to meet the needs of every customer, from startup to multinational companies, and gives them the ability to conceive, design, develop, test, manufacture, and support products, leading to an ever-changing tomorrow that is brighter for all of us. Xcelerator, from Siemens Digital Industries Software, where today meets tomorrow.